This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Hidden gem. Beautiful, quiet setting in Suffolk near major shopping, entertainment, interstates, and more. This waterfront neighborhood overlooks the Nansemond River in River Point. This two-story condo home features an open floor plan, 2 bedrooms with Jack/Jill bathroom, simply charming, living room with wood fireplace and opens to deck, kitchen with breakfast area, along with formal dining space. Enjoy the tennis court, pool, clubhouse, playground, pet walking, and riverfront deck. You will not find another waterfront condo like this one. Call today for your showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-300